In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make the smooth, tall grass habitat here in Pokemon Pokopia. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to go ahead and make your way over to the cave where you originally found Onyx in. Give me a second, I'll make my way there right now. But essentially, once you do get in this cave, you need to find a patch of dry grass within there. On top of that, you'll locate the smooth rock in there as well. So as you can see, here's the cave, just like so. Get the smooth rock, which I've actually already taken out of here. Make your way out of the cave over to just an area that has dry grass. For example, you could really go anywhere over here. This location would work perfectly. If you just pull this out, you're going to create some dry grass. Bang. One more just like so. And then you need to place the smooth rock right here where I'm currently standing. Let me go get that. Boom. Just like so. You've now created the habitat. After that, you just got to go back, talk to Onyx, complete the request, and you are good to go. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.